In today's video, we are going to be making pocket folding fans, and these are made out of paper, so make sure you guys watch the whole video to learn how to make these. Make sure you guys try these out at home. They're super easy to make, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Let's start. Stop moving! Why does it do this every time? So I added this part where you can have 2 popsicle sticks instead of 1, and you can fold it like that, so whenever you want to fold it, it gets much smaller and you can put in your bag or something. But you can add 2 popsicle sticks instead of 1, like I did here, and it looks really cool. And these are the watermelons that I drew. You can draw watermelons or any other fruits or any other kind of drawing on here as well. I just used plain paper. You can draw it like I did. You don't have to if you want, but I think it looks cooler like this. Well, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe as well. It would really help my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and you can definitely try this at home. It is really fun to do. You can do it in your own style. I did it this way because I thought it looked really cute. Thank you so much for watching once again. It was pretty short today, but I haven't made a crafting video in a long time, so here it is. Also, I will be posting another crafting video very soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And the giveaway video will be up very soon as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for both those videos. Anyways, let's not forget about the shoutouts. Today's shoutout goes to Living Life with Lisa, Lahori Cuisine, Cook with Brish, Pakistani channel in Germany, and AJ Life in Emirates. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to try this craft out. And if you guys have any other suggestions for videos or craft, I will be sure to do it. Just comment it down below. Anyways, I hope you guys had a fantastic day. Love you all so much, and see you all in my next video. Bye!